So how is the General Counsel Metrics Survey that you conduct different from other similar surveys?
The General Counsel Metrics Survey is different than the others because, one, it's much simpler to do. Two, it releases 5 times during the year so that you don't have to wait so long. And 3, it focuses just on the most important metrics. That's at least 3 reasons.
And what are the 2 to 3 most important metrics for General Counsel to keep track of?
The most important metrics, I think, the most useful ones would be, first of all, total legal spending as a percentage of revenue, which is your internal spend plus your external spend divided by your revenue. I think a second very important one is the ratio of inside spend to outside spend. Usually it's something like 40 to 60. Coming back on total legal spending, it's usually about 0.5%. And the final one that I think is very useful is what is your fully loaded cost per internal lawyer hour?
And what do you see the future holding for benchmarking going forward?
The future. I like that. I think the future will be, first of all, having much larger numbers of law departments participating. Once it gets into 1,500, 2,000 or more, you'll be able to do very granular breakouts by industry. I think secondly, there will be a joining of data from other sources, such as numbers of lawsuits or R&D spend or headcount, and that will be in. And finally, and most exciting, will be when there can be some correlation between management practices and benchmark metrics.